everyone, welcome to Luminary Academy, and today I'm back with a new video. In this video, I'll be solving some doubts of class 7 science cbse. Okay, so in this there is one of the questions from physics. So the question says here that a body of mass 2 kg is initially at rest and a constant force of 5 Newton act on it for 10 seconds. Then the average power of the force is, okay. So to do this question, I'm marking as question number 1. So this is question number 1, right? So a body of mass, so m is equals to 2 kg initially at rest, so u is equals to 0, right? And a constant force is equals to 5 Newton, right? And time is equals to 10 seconds. Done. So this is time. Now what is the average power average? We know that the formula for the power is force upon time and work done upon time, and work done we can write as force into displacement, F into D, force into displacement upon time. So this is our actual formula. Now force, you know, it is 5 Newton, and D we need to find out. D is basically displacement. So here we'll find the displacement by using the equation of motion, S equals to ut plus half at square. Now here S is how much? S is displacement, which we need to find. So as it is, u is 0 into t plus half into a. Now we need to find the a. A is equals to force upon m. See, we know that force is equals to mass into acceleration. So acceleration is equals to force upon mass. So force is how much? 5 Newton upon mass is 2 kg. So it will become 2.5 meter per second, right? So this is Newton, this is kg, and when we convert it, it will be 2.5 meter per second. Done. So we'll put 2.5 into time is 10 second. So 10 square, right? So by that way, this will become 0. So 1 by 2 into 25 upon 10 into 10 into 10, right? So 10 and 10 is cancelled. So 2 times 1 is 2 times 5, 25 into 5. So 25 into 5 is 125, that is equals to S, correct? So S is the displacement because of the 5 Newton. So now here, if we see the formula, we got the value of S. D is S, actually S and D is same thing, displacement. So if now force is 5 and the displacement is 125 upon time is 10 seconds. So by that way, we'll get the value as 5 into 125 is 625 upon 10, that is 62.5 watt is the power. Okay, so the answer is 62 point, this is not 625, this is wrong, it is 62.5 watt. This is the answer. Done. So this is how we need to solve the first question. Second question, let's solve the second one now, which is also based on power. A man A runs up a staircase in 10 seconds, right? Another man B of the same mass runs the same staircase in 12 seconds. Okay, now what is the ratio of the power of A and power of B? Okay, so just a very simple question it is. Now here, see, this is question number 2. So here time is given. See, it is power of A will be work done upon time of A, and power of B will be equal to work done upon time of B. Now power of B will be equals to W upon 12, and power of A will be equal to W upon 10. This is given. So first one, it is 10 seconds and power of A, and power of B it is 12 seconds. So now we need to find the ratio of power A upon power B. Power A upon power B, that is equals to W upon 10 upon W upon 12. So these two will come together. So W into 12 upon W into 10. W cancel. It is 6, it is 5, right? So this is 6 is to 5. Done. So the answer is 6 is to 5. The answer is B part. Now the question number 3, very simple. A bullet fired into a target loses half of its velocity after penetrating 12 centimeter, how much further will it penetrate to become how much further will it penetrate before coming to rest? Okay, so in this question I'm just pasting this question here so it's easy for us to understand. Okay, so the last third question here, a bullet is fired from into a target, loses half of its velocity. So suppose this is a half distance, this is A, this is B, and this is C, right? So here it is given that initial velocity here is u, half velocity will be, this is the final velocity. Okay, so initial velocity is this and final velocity is u by 2, right? So this is one case, this is one, from here to here it is case 1, and from here to here it is case 2, right? So if we when we'll do the case 2, it will become the initial velocity. So initial velocity for case 2 will be u by 2, and final velocity for case 2 will be equal to 0. Done. So now if we, you know the equation of motion, v square minus u square is equals to 2as, right? So this we know. Now here first we need to find the a, that is acceleration. So u is your final velocity, initial velocity is u, and final velocity is u by 2, right? Your final velocity is u by 2, so u by 2 square minus initial velocity is u square is equals to 2 into a into s. S is how much is the penetration, it is 12 centimeter, so s will be equals to, so here 2 into a into s is 12 centimeter, right? So if you solve this, it will be u square by 4 minus u square upon 1 is equals to 2 into a into 12, right? So by this way we'll multiply, divide by 4 here, so u square minus 4u square upon 4 is equals to 2 into a into 12. Done. Now if we solve this, you will get minus 3u square upon 4, and then this is 12 into 2 is 24, so we'll write 24 is equals to a. So 12 into 2 is 24, 24 divided by, so 3 times 1 and 3 times 8, right? So this will give you answer of a, that is minus u square upon 8 4 is 32 is equals to a. Done. Now case 2, right? Now in the case 2, what we'll do, your initial velocity, we'll again use the same formula, v square minus u square equals to 2as. Now your initial velocity, your final velocity is 0 for the case 2, so we'll write 0 minus 0 square is 0 only, minus u is your initial velocity, that is u by 2 the whole square is equals to 2 into, now you need to find how much will be the further it will penetrate. So s will be, you need to find s. Now a is given to you, a we recently find out, u square minus u square by 32, so minus u square by 32 into s, right? S we need to find in the second case, right? So we'll solve it, it will be minus u square by 4 is equals to minus 2 into u square by 32 into s. Now you can cancel minus minus, then u square and u square again cancel. Now what is left, let's see. So 2 times 1 is 2, 2 times 16, so you can send it to the numerator, 16 upon 4 is equals to s. So answer is 4 centimeter. So in my case the answer is 4 centimeter, this is in the option, so we got the answer as 4 centimeter is equals to s, right? So this is the answer, 4 centimeter. Done. So answer of this part was this, and answer of this part was this. Done. So now last question, which was a doubt question from one of my student. Question number 4. Find the mass of an object whose weight on the moon is 360 Newton. Very simple question. Weight on the earth is equals to weight on the moon, but 1 by 6. So weight on the moon is equals to 1 by 6 the weight on the earth. So weight on the earth is equals to 6 times weight of moon. Now weight on the moon, it is written that whose weight on the moon is 360 Newton. So you can write weight on the earth is equals to 6 into 360. So 6 into 360. So it will be 0, then 6 6 are 36, 3 carry, 6 are 18, 19, 20, 21. So WE is equals to 2160 Newton, right? Now we know that the formula of W equals to mg, right? So instead of WE, I will write mass on earth into G is equals to 216. Sorry, I wrote it wrong here. It should be 2160 Newton. That is WE Newton, right? So it should be 2160. Okay. Now G is given as 10. So you can write mass on the earth is equals to 2160 divided by 10. 0 cancel. So it is 216 kg. So mass on the earth will be equal to 216 kg. So this was a very simple question. I hope you got this question. So all the questions which were doubt, we have solved from class 9 cbse of science, which is basically from physics. So I hope you got the idea. Keep watching, subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you, students.